Hello friends, welcome to my channel conquerclutter.com. I know you all might be enjoying your vacations for Christmas and New Year, and many of you would be traveling also. So this video is going to be how to organize your kids travel bag. Today I am going to show you how I trained my daughter to pack her clothes herself. It is not very early or nor too late to train your children on doing their own stuff. If you do this to your kids, they will be very responsible in the future and do their task themselves. It will also reduce the burden of parenting a lot. I know their packing will not be very perfect, but it gives them a small satisfaction that they accomplished something themselves. So I'm going to show you how she does it. It may not be perfect. Some clothes will be, rolled or something like that, but it is her own way of packing. If you train your kids to pack their luggage or suitcase themselves, what will happen is they will not come after you every time for each and everything. They know the things where it is and they will get the things themselves. That will be a huge relief for you and you can enjoy the vacation along with them. The first step for any organization project is to make a list. So I made her write down whatever is needed for packing first. After making the list, we found out that we had 4 categories to pack. The first one is the medicines and then her makeup accessories. Third one being all the dresses, and then she had to recreate herself, so we took some coloring books, story books and crayons as well. Before we start packing, it is always a best practice to lay down whatever we are going to take on the floor and look at it if we have taken everything, and then we can start packing. It is always a best practice. The advantage of laying out all the things on the floor is that you will have a very clear visual clarity on what you are going to take for your vacations. Sometimes what will happen is you might underpack or you might overpack. So if you lay out everything on the floor, you will know exactly what you are taking. I am now helping her to arrange all her innerwear in the separate pouch. It is always best to keep all the innerwear in a separate pouch because it will not get mingled with all other clothes in the suitcase, and it will be easy for the kids to find out the innerwear if they are in a separate pouch. It is always a good idea to pair the innerwears together, that is the vest and the brief together, shorts together, swimwears together, everything rolled up neatly and tightly packed.
இது வந்து எங்க அம்மாவோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் பவித்ரா ஆண்டி அவங்க இந்த பெப்பர் பிக் பேக் எனக்கு வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க.
This bag was gifted to my daughter by my friend Pavitra. She wanted to mention that, so I included that clip also. In this bag, we are organizing the innerwear pouch, medicine pouch, her crayons pouch, and the coloring book and story books. You can also consider educating your children about the medicines which you carry while on vacation. I will tell you an example. What happened was, when we went for vacation last time, my daughter had a very nasty fall and she wounded her leg. I had already educated her about the antiseptic ointment, and she immediately told the elders that she had a medicine in her medicine pouch, and they took the medicine and applied it on the wound. She did not wait for me to come around and do the same. I don't know if it is going to be a very life-saving tip or not, but it is always very good to educate your children about the medicines they carry. but the caution to be exercised here is that the kids should be advised not to take the medicine themselves. They should take the help from the elders around, and they should take the medicine with their guidance only. You should sink this point into their mind, but at the same time educate the purpose of the medicine which we are carrying while on vacation. I bought this Barbie suitcase for my daughter before 5 years at Saravana Stores T Nagar, and that costed around 1500 rupees at that time. I am not sure if the same model and same bag will be available now. I will search in Amazon, and if I find any similar links, I will give it in the description box below. You can check that out. She has now started all her clothes in this Barbie suitcase. There is a small divider section. I have asked her to keep all the night dresses in the divider section and all the day dresses in the bigger section. As I already mentioned, the kids packing might not be very perfect as we pack, but the essential thing is to allow them to do the task by themselves. Please do not criticize or give them immediate feedbacks. Let them do the job first, and then we can constructively tell them whenever they are in the mindset to listen to whatever we are saying. So right now I am allowing her to pack the way she wants, so it will be easy for her to access the clothes whenever she wants to. If you notice in this organization, I did not follow any systematic procedure or any perfect system for organizing this kids luggage, because I want the system to be very easy for my daughter to access, and I want to devise the system in such a way that she can do the job herself. She need not look upon me for taking all the things and giving it to her. So devising a system that works for both you and the kid is always very important. It need not be perfect, it need not be beautiful, it need not be very classy or something like that. That should be a system which works good for both of you. I am asking my daughter to keep the pavada sattai in a separate compartment. I am also letting her know that if we keep the special occasion clothes with the other clothes, it might get squished up and it may not look very nice. So I am asking her to keep it in a separate compartment. These are the simple tips which we give the children, and they will follow it for a long time. She has organized all her bindi, powder and earrings in this pouch. So I have named it as makeup and accessories pouch, so that she will remember where all her makeup and accessories are there. சரி செல்லக்குட்டி, உனக்கு இந்த ரெண்டு பேக்ல என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு தெரியும்ல?
தெரியுமா?
ஓகே, எங்க ஒரு தடவை வரிசையா சொல்லு பாப்போம். இந்த பெரிய பேக்ல என்னென்ன இருக்கு?
பெரிய பேக்ல Dress இங்க இருக்கு, இது பாவாடை சட்டை இருக்கு. இதுல ஸ்டேஷனரி திங்ஸ், ஜெட்டி, பனியன், மருந்து இருக்கு. ஓகே,
Dress எல்லாம் என்னைக்கு என்னென்ன போடணும்ன்றது நீ பாத்துப்பியா? ஓகே சரி, இதோட இது க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவோமா? Okay, chalo. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also share this with your friends. It will mean a lot to me and help in my channel's growth. Also, please subscribe to my channel for all the organization, Indian decor and DIY content, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Why I am insisting on hitting the bell icon is that if you don't get any notification whenever I upload a new video, all my efforts will go a waste. So if you subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Sangeeta signing off from conquerclutter.com. Take care. Bye bye.